Hi, Sabine here. Today I'm excited to be trying out my new TLP pigment Benevolence. I'm using SheleeArt updated DIY pouring medium recipe. I'll start with the white acrylic house paint for my pillow or base paint, spreading a thin layer over the board and coating the sides, leaving a puddle in the centre. I'll start with this Little Piggy Benevolence. Oh, it's very fluid. Now for Southern Ocean Blue. This Little Piggy Abalone. Golden Fluid Acrylic Anthraquinone Blue. Black and white cell activator 2:1 Floetrol and acrylic paint. Oh nice, lots of cells. Let me know where you're from in the comments below. I'd love to know, and I really hope that you are having a great day. I wish you a very happy creative journey, and I tell you what, I would be lost without my art. I absolutely love it. It's relaxing, it's my therapy, and yeah, I wouldn't be without it. Love it. Oh wow, I love the way it's looking, especially on the outer edge. It's a shame I'm going to lose all those cells. Anyway, let's spin it and see what happens. I don't mind it at all. I love the sparkle of the pigments and the cells look pretty good. What do you think? Well, that's it for today's pouring. Thank you so much again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.